one of the top questions that we get is, Harvest Profit a replacement for my accounting software? And the answer is no. Rather than thinking of Harvest Profit as a replacement, it's more of a complement. Accounting software is great for doing historical analysis, whether that's on a cash basis or an accrual basis. But there's a lot of important decisions that need to be made looking out into the future as well. And so Harvest Profit is great at giving you that crop year view of entity level, crop level, field level, and now subfield level profitability. But at the same time, it's just as powerful for looking forward and building projections and crop budgets and analyzing scenarios around what happens if I add land or let land go? What happens if I change my equipment lineup? In Harvest Profit, you can evaluate a lot of those different forward-looking scenarios that is really impossible to do in an accounting software. So at the end of the day, if you have a cash accounting tool or an accounting tool that you are comfortable with and you like, Harvest Profit can simply be a great complement to that. And so my recommendation would be to try out Harvest Profit, see where it fits, see the differences for yourself between our offering and your accounting software.